In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels to enhance your email organization skills. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to keep your inbox tidy and efficient with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main inbox page where all your emails are displayed. Look to the left of the screen. Here, you'll see the navigation panel. This contains a list of your current labels, as well as links to your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and other Gmail categories. Next, let's create a new label. Scroll down the left sidebar until you see the More button, usually at the bottom of your label list. Click on it to reveal additional options. Among these, find and click on Create New Label. A small dialog box will appear where you can enter the name for your new label. Consider a name that's descriptive of the type of emails you intend to categorize, such as work, family, or projects. After naming your label, you have the opportunity to nest it under another label by selecting the Nest Label Under option. This can help further organize your emails by categorizing them under broader labels. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Create. With your label created, let's go ahead and assign it to an email. Head back to your inbox and check the box next to the email you want to label. With the email selected, look towards the toolbar located above your emails. Click on the icon resembling a label. It's located next to the trash can icon. As you click, a drop-down appears listing all your labels. Select the label or labels that apply to your email, then click Apply at the bottom of the drop-down. You'll notice that Gmail adds a colored tag next to your email, corresponding to the label you've chosen. This tag visually categorizes your message, making it easier to identify at a glance. Now, to quickly view all emails under a specific label, find the label name in the left sidebar and click on it. Voila! You'll be viewing all emails categorized under that specific label, neatly organized. You may wish to color code your labels for faster identification. To do this, hover over the label name in the sidebar. You'll see a three-dot menu icon on the right. Click it and select Label Color to choose your desired color. This additional step enhances visual organization. To wrap up, using labels in Gmail simplifies your email management significantly. By creating, applying, and color-coding labels, you streamline your communication and keep your inbox clutter-free and organized. And if you ever want to remove a label, simply click the label tag next to an email and deselect the label from the drop-down. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.